Let's consider a scenario where you want to get fit. And let's consider the free option first. Now, in the free option, what can you do? You can go online, watch some videos, maybe watch some material online for free. Now, what are the chances of you getting fit by accessing all that free material? I'm sure the chances are super low. Maybe if I call it next to nil, you would agree. Now, consider a scenario number two, where you go online, order some stuff in terms of supplements or the thing, you go take a gym membership, and now you want to get fitter. Now, in this scenario, what are the chances of you getting fitter? I'm sure you would agree better than this first option, because now you have invested some money, you have taken the gym membership, you have ordered some supplements that you are going to take. But what are the chances that you are going to go there regularly? Every year in the January months, we have many people signing up for the gym membership, and they give up after a couple of weeks. So going by the data, the trend, the chances of you continuing with the gym membership, if you are someone who has not worked out earlier, are again low. So it could be excuses. Someday it would be office work, someday it is rain, someday it could be too cold, someday it is going to be too hot. At the end, you are not going to go there regularly to get some credible results. Now let's consider a scenario number three. Now I assign a Navy SEAL commando who is super fit. Now that person comes knocking at your door every day in the morning, wakes you up, drags you along, no excuses. Now, what are the chances of you getting the kind of physique that you are looking for? I'm sure you would agree among the three options, this third option is going to give you much better and credible results. Why? Two primary reasons. One, the person who is going to work with you is someone who has treaded that path where you want to go. He has achieved those outcomes that you are looking for yourself. So he is going to inspire you. You are going to be feeling inspired. You can look up to someone who has achieved the results that you want for yourself. Reason number two. So the second reason is you have got accountability now. So there is someone who cares for you. There is someone who is going to push you, someone who is going to keep you on track and ensure that in order to achieve the results that you are looking for yourself, you are taking daily action. Once you take daily action, that becomes a part of your habit. And once you are able to make it your habit, you do things regularly, there is no brainer that you don't get the results. Now, these are the two reasons which help you in getting much better results in scenario number three. And we took the example of your health. Life is no different, and so is your career. If you have understood this particular example, I am sure you would agree. So if you are looking for a progress in your life, you are not able to do it on your own. You have seen a lot of free stuff already. Things just don't seem to work for you. If you are dragging in behind in your career, you are not able to move forward to the extent that you wish to, aspire to, and desire to. You have wasted already a lot of time. Then it's a no-brainer. Taking help is not going to do any harm to you. You may get the results much faster. You may get some critical results by working with someone who has already gone along that path. Hi friends, my name is Lalit Kumar Hundlani. I am a life and career coach, corporate trainer, and international best-selling author. And if you are looking to make your life better, if you are someone who wants to progress much faster, I would like to invite you to work with me. I work with executives, corporate professionals, and individuals who are looking to make their life better by working on themselves. So the only condition that you have is you must be willing to work on yourself and follow the process. So if you fit the bill, you would like to know more about the details, you can check the details in the description I have shared out there, or you can also find the details on your screen where I'm sharing. These are my contact details.